Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. Alright then, we're just taking a quick look at XRP then on our daily time frame. As we can see, having an absolute moon off of these lows around 50 cents down here when we were going sideways in our range. And then obviously, once we saw the SEC chair, it was stepping down. Gary Gensler is basically the antipathy for XRP, and you can see we've had a ridiculous tasty move to the upside since then, breaking out of key resistances and also looking like we could have been potentially breaking out here of this 8-year long coiling motion that we have seen for XRP as well. Obviously it remains to be seen if we will stay up at these levels. We have come up and touched that $160 level at the 0.78 Fibonacci, which is really good to see. You can see it's still quite a long way to go to the all-time high up at around 327, but that's only around a 2.5x from the current price. Pretty interesting to see. You can see obviously we've had a very parabolic move to the upside, and in my opinion we'll probably get a bit of a retrace from here. As I said, I could see us retracing back down towards $1, as I do think Bitcoin is probably due to have a correction pretty soon. Being realistic, Bitcoin right now has come up and pretty much touched 100k. You can see we were all but like $700 away from 100k, and I do think we'll probably next week get a bit of a retrace from this area back down towards 90, maybe even towards 80k, something like this, to get a correction after we have had this parabolic move. That will obviously drag the rest of the market down. XRP probably heading back towards $1, I would say, for good entries on the break and retest of that huge pennant formation of 8 years before having a big move to the upside. Overall, things looking really good. The weekly time frame here shows you that. The monthly time frame shows you even better. You can see this monthly candle is actually insane now, pretty much as big as those ones we saw back here. And I do think that XRP is going to be heading up about $10 plus in this market, if not more, depending on how far we do get in terms of Bitcoin's pump, and also with XRP having the restraints off against the SEC. I think we're going to have some nice price action. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.